Teachers and students can create bookmark folders to easily navigate to specific sections of the interactive textbook. Select the bookmark icon from the dashboard and click Add. Name the folder and click Add. Bookmarks can be added to this folder from any section of the interactive textbook. Click on the Add Bookmark icon in the navigation bar. Choose the folder to add the bookmark to, rename it if required, and click Bookmark. Videos, widgets and quizzes can also be bookmarked. Easily access bookmarks from a folder by going to the bookmark icon in the top navigation bar and selecting a bookmark from a folder to jump to that section.